Hey, I'm getting ready to go dove hunting this season, and I'm going to be using this Model 600 by Charles Daly. Never used it hunting before. Hadn't been hunting in a long time, but I realized I threw away the plug, so I'm going to have to make one. And I think I can do it. All I need to do is find something to stick inside the tube to take up the space and only allow 2 shells to be loaded in. So see what I can come up with here. So I've got a couple shells here. Normally they would load in about like that, about that distance. And so what I need to do is come up with a rod that is about 9.5 inches, something like that. So I'll see if I can find something to work for that. Okay, I did find I have a piece of this stainless steel rod here, and I decided not to cut it at exactly 9.5 inches. I wanted to make it so that didn't want it to bind up if for some reason it got hung. So I just wanted to cut it so it would allow maybe a third shell to go in a little bit, maybe a fourth of the way, but it wouldn't allow it to fully load in. So I'm going to try that. I've cut this and deburred the edges here, and there's this is a spring-loaded tube here, but it's hollow, and the spring is on the inside, so I can just put the rod, drop it down in there, and reassemble the gun. And I'll try this out. I'll go ahead and load 1 shell, 2 shells, and the third shell should go in a little bit. It only goes in about a fourth of the way. So that's perfect. That's exactly legal. And so now I can take my Charles Daly 600 out hunting. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click the like and subscribe if you want to follow along on some of my other projects I'm doing.